Hi dear students. So welcome to my today's lecture, Basic Mathematics Part 10. So 10th session, 17 date sheet 17/4/20 Friday, and the same topic algebra. In that algebra, so what we were studying? We were studying about the operations on algebraic expressions. So already in the previous class we studied addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and today I am going to explain you multiplication of algebraic expression. This is very important, and in this basic session I am not taking division because division will be there in your syllabus. So today I will take only multiplication of algebraic expressions. So here for this you should know laws of exponents for this multiplication, because here we don't add and subtract the coefficients. Here we need to multiply the coefficients as well as power. To multiply the power, we need to add the powers. Like for example, 2x into x square. So this is simple example. What will happen? So first you multiply the coefficient with their respective signs. साइन भी देखने पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. इसका क्या साइन है? प्लस है. इसका क्या साइन है? प्लस है. तो प्लस इंटू प्लस, प्लस will come. And here 1 is there. 2 into 1, what will happen? 2. Then here x raised to 1 is there, here x raised to 2. So I told you, laws of exponents. Here we need to add 1 plus 2, x raised to 1 plus 2. That means 2x raised to 3. Okay, this is simple one. So that I told you that you should know laws of exponents. 1 plus 2, here you will get 3. 2x cube, this is the answer, 2x cube. So now what I will explain you the step by step or methods. So first step, this is the first simple example. I have taken only monomial into monomial. So we'll do one thing, we'll go one by one. First monomial into monomial, then monomial into binomial, then trinomial and polynomial. Likewise, first I will take monomial into monomial. We should know what are monomials. Monomial means only one term will be there. Already explained you about this, right? Now just example, see, this is monomial into monomial only. I will take one more, minus 4 by 3 y cube into 16 upon 9 or 16 upon 12 y square. See what will happen here. First see, this is multiplied, divided. 4 ones are 4 3s are. Then here minus 1 by 3 is there, here 16 upon 3 is there. You just multiply sign also. Minus 1 into 16, minus 16 divided by 3 3s are 9, minus 16 upon 9. Here y raised to 3, here y raised to 2, means y cube into y square. 3 plus 2, 5, y raised to 5. This is simple one. So I hope you understood this. So now we will have some other examples based on monomial into binomial. Monomial into binomial. That means here single term will be there, 3p square multiplied with binomial is there, then we have to put the bracket 3p plus 6q. One monomial and binomial. Binomial means two terms. In this case we have to apply distributive property. We know that distributive property, that is basic thing. Distributive property means this is distributed among these two numbers. मतलब दोनों को डिवाइड करना, मल्टीपल करना पड़ेगा. ये 3p स्क्वायर है ना, इसके साथ मल्टीपल होगा और इसके साथ भी मल्टीपल होगा. फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपको लिखना पड़ेगा 3p स्क्वायर इज मल्टीप्लाइड विथ 3p and here plus into plus, plus will be there. 3p square is multiplied with 6q. Then 3 3s are 9, p square into p, p cube. Then 3 6s are 18, p square into q. Here unlike terms are there, we cannot multiply, keep as it is, means p square into q. Okay, this is the answer. Then I'll take one more example. Monomial into polynomial. Directly I will take polynomial. Same procedure, like 4y y square multiplied with 3y minus 4y cube plus 6y square minus 8. See here, monomial, this is actually polynomial. More than 3 terms are there, polynomial. So now the same procedure, this each term is multiplied with all the terms. 4y square is multiplied with 3y, 4y square multiplied with 3y, then here plus into minus, minus 4y square is multiplied with 4y cube, this 4y square is multiplied with 4y cube, then here plus into plus, plus only, 4y square is multiplied with 6y square, okay, then plus into minus, minus 4y square is multiplied with 8. This 8 is as it is. Now just multiply the coefficients and the powers. 4 3s are 12. Y square into y. Here y raised to 1 will be there. You will get y cube. Y square into y, y cube. Then minus 4 into 4, minus 16. 4 4s are 16. Y square into y cube. Y raised to 5. 2 plus 3, 5. Then 4 6 are 24. Y square into y square. Y raised to 4. Then again minus 4 into 8, 32. 4 8s are 32. Y square as it is. Now we have to check the like terms. If they are like terms, then add them, or else keep as it is. This is the answer. Okay, dear students, now so we will study about this binomial and polynomial. The product of means multiplication of binomial and polynomial. So like 2x minus 3 multiplied with any polynomial, x square minus 3x plus 5. See, first you understand the distributive property here. Distributive property I already explained you. The each term, this 2x is multiplied with these 3 terms and minus 3 is multiplied with these 3 terms. Okay. So don't multiply this 2x with this x square and minus 3 this x square like that. It is wrong method. See, 2x is multiplied with like this, x square minus 3x plus 5. Then this minus 3 is multiplied with x square minus 3x plus 5. See, once again I repeat, this 2x is multiplied with x square minus 3x plus 5. Okay. Then minus 3 is multiplied with x square minus 3x plus 5. So now again already we studied no monomial into polynomial. The same procedure again, 2x is multiplied with all the terms. You directly multiply. 2 1s are 2. X into x square, x cube. So I hope you will understand this right now. Now plus into minus, minus. 2 3s are 6. X into x, x square. Okay. Next plus into plus, plus. 2 5s are 10. X as it is. Okay. Next minus into plus, minus 3 into x square, 3x square. Now very very important, see here, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9. Here see, sign is very important. Minus is multiplied with minus, we will get plus. 3 3s are 9. X is there as it is. Then minus is multiplied with plus, minus 3 5s are 15. Okay. Next, here we have to identify like terms. 2x cube is there. Is there any 2x cube? No. Keep this as it is, 2x cube. Then minus 6x square, minus 3x square. So these are like terms. And here same sign is there. That means we need to add minus 6 minus 3, minus 9x square. 10x plus 9x. Again like terms. And the same sign. Add them and keep the same sign. 10 plus 9, 19x. Then minus 15. So this is only one term is there. So we cannot add with any term. So this is the answer. Okay, I will take one more example. This is the first example. I will take one more example for the better understanding. So I will take polynomial into polynomial. Means binomial means you can take even polynomial also. Polynomial into polynomial. So like x cube minus 3x plus y is multiplied with x minus y plus z. Okay, polynomial into polynomial means trinomial into trinomial. Now again same procedure. X cube is multiplied with these three terms, minus 3x is multiplied with these three terms, and y is multiplied with these three terms. So multiply. First step, x cube is multiplied with x minus y plus z. Minus 3x is multiplied with x minus y plus z. Then plus y is multiplied with x minus y plus z. This is the first step. So pause the video where you not understood and again read that, just go through the question and follow the steps. Okay, now again same thing, monomial into polynomial. Multiply this x cube into x raised to 4. Then here plus into minus, minus x cube into y. Then here plus into plus plus x cube into z. Okay, then minus into plus, here minus 3 ones are 3, then x into x square minus 3x. So minus 3x square, then here minus 3 into minus y plus minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3, x into y xy. Then minus 3 is multiplied with 1 here, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 xz. Then here next plus into plus plus only xy, then plus into minus minus y square, next plus into plus plus only y into z, zy. Okay, next step. Now identify like terms. So here x raised to 4, then here x cube y is there. Is there any x cube y? No. Keep this as it is, x cube y. Here x cube z is there? No. There is no like term with this x cube z. Keep this as it is, x cube z. Minus 3x square? No. Keep this as it is, minus 3x square. 3xy plus xy. These are like terms here. 3 plus 1, 4. 4xy. Here xz is there. Is there any xz? No. Keep this as it is, minus 3xz. Then here minus y square. No. Keep this as it is. Then zy. Keep this as it is. Just once again you just see the like terms. If there are any like terms, then add them and subtract them, or else this is the final answer. Okay, I hope you understood this. Now I will give some homework to solve the problems. Thank you.
Dear students, so these are the homework questions. Just see the carefully and write down all the homeworks. First question, find the product of the following expression. All are monomial only. You just multiply all the things. Second question, find the volume of the box whose dimensions. Volume means length into breadth into height. You have to multiply all length, breadth, height, you will get volume. And third question, find the area of the field whose length is breadth and length and breadth are given here. You just multiply length and breadth, you will get the answer. And fourth question, find the product of the following expressions. So here all are binomial into binomial, binomial into trinomial, and these are based on polynomial into polynomial. You just see, write down all the questions carefully and solve them. If you have any doubts, so let me know. That means you can message me or else you can call me. Thank you.